Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's Yujus. My name is Taufik Nugraha. I'm from class C4 Management and my NPM 101200085. In this video, talking about final evaluation English 3. Hello everyone, my name is Taufik Nugraha. I was born on November 24, 2000. I live in Cijeruk, Bojongsari, Bojongsoang, Bandung. My hobbies is climbing mountains. My goal is to become a successful entrepreneur in agriculture. My daily life as a student starts at 5 o'clock in the morning. During the dawn prayer, after that, I usually fall back asleep and wake up at 6 a.m. to wash my face and start breakfast and prepare online lectures. At 7 a.m. the first lecture start and the last lecture and at 3 p.m. However, not every day like that. Sometimes lectures are held in the afternoon, evening or night. What I usually do in my spare time is playing games, looking for online income, gardening, and play with my cat. Her name is Leo. I live in Cijeruk, Bojongsari, Bojongsoang. In this area, there is a place that is often visited by many people. On holidays, the place is called VDEM. Many make this place to take pictures because of the beautiful scenery when the sunset arrives. I also often visit there with my friend just to take pictures when the sunset arrives. I live in the city of Bandung here. There are lots of places that people must visit, one of which is Asia Afrika or Alun-Alun Bandung. The location is right in the center of Bandung city. There is a great mosque and many other entertainment places. Usually most people come to this place that in the afternoon until the evening. Thanks for watching.